सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। We are in 18th chapter. So we have seen all these shabdas. Now we have to see the dhatus, declensions. Spardh dhatu, lat lakara. Okay. Who wants to decline spardh dhatu?
I can do that, Purnaji.
Yes. Only lat lakara. Once we finish the lat lakara for all dhatus, then we will go to other lakaras.
स्पर्धते स्पर्धेते स्पर्धन्ते स्पर्धसे स्पर्धेथे स्पर्धद्वे स्पर्धे स्पर्धावहे स्पर्धामहे.
Okay. Next dhatu is shank dhatu. Uma, can you do shank dhatu?
Sure. Shankate, shankete, shankante, shankase, shankethe, shankadve, shanke, shankavahe, shankamahe.
Next, Vijayaji, chesht.
चेष्टते चेष्टेति चेष्टन्ते चेष्टसे चेष्टसे चेष्टेथे चेष्टद्वे चेष्टे चेष्टावहे चेष्टामहे.
Prabhaji, can
Yeah.
you decline the krup dhatu?
Okay. Kalpate, kalpete, kalpante, kalpase, kalpethe, kalpadhve, kalpe, kalpavahe, kalpamahe.
Yes. Okay. Again, Sirishaji. Para plus I.
Palay, right?
Yes.
Palayate, palayete, palayante, palayase, palayethe, palayadve, palaye, palayavahe, palayamahe.
Yes. Dyut. Uma.
Dyotate, dyotete, dyotante, dyotase, dyotethe, dyotadve, dyote, dyotavahe, dyotamahe.
Vep.
वेपते वेपेथे वेपन्ते वेपसे वेपथे वेपध्वे वेपै वेपे वेपावहे वेपामहे.
Next, Shri Prabhaji,
हाँ,
Trap dhatu.
Trapate, is that correct?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Trapate, trapete, trapante, trapse, then trapethe, trapadve, trape, trapavahe, trapamahe.
Trapase.
It's trapasve.
Trapase.
Yeah. Okay. That's what I thought I said. Trapase.
Trapase, yes. Madhyam Purusha Ekvachana. Yes, up to this Lat Lakara. I think we are familiar with Lat Lakara. Then Lrut Lakara. So in Lrut Lakara, everything is same. Their Spardhate is there. Ishya will be extra. If we look at the form, this E and Shya are extra. Spardhate, Spardhishyate, like that. Shri Shaji?
स्पर्धिष्यते स्पर्धिष्येते स्पर्धिष्यन्ते स्पर्धिष्यसे स्पर्धिष्येथे स्पर्धिष्यद्वे स्पर्धिष्ये स्पर्धिष्यावहे स्पर्धिष्यामहे.
Next, Shank Dhatu. Uma.
Shankishyate, Shankishyete, Shankishyante, Sankishyase, Sankishyethe, Sankishyadve, Shankishye.
Yes, yes.
Sorry?
I could hear that Sa instead
No,
of Sha.
yeah.
I heard Sha.
Shankishye, Shankishyavahe, Shankishyamahe.
Next, Chesht.
चेष्टिष्यते चेष्टिष्येते चेष्टिष्यन्ते चेष्टिष्यसे चेष्टिष्येथे चेष्टिष्यद्वे चेष्टिष्ये चेष्टिष्यावहे चेष्टिष्यामहे.
Next, Prabhaji. Krup Dhatu.
Okay. Kalpishyate, kalpishyete, kalpishyante, kalpishyase, kalpishyavahe, kalpishyamahe, kalpishye, sorry, I said it wrong, right? I'll do the Madhyama Purusha again. Kalpishyase, kalpishyethe, kalpishyadve. Is that correct?
Yes, yes.
Kalpishye, kalpishyavahe, kalpishyamahe. Thank you.
No, it's correct. Yes. Upendraji. Para plus I. Para upasarga purvak I dhatu.
Gulama.
Yes, yes. Para plus I. Are you declining?
Shama.
Palayishyate. Lrit lakara. We are doing now Lrit lakara. Palayishyate, palayishyethe, palayishyete, palayishyathe. Palayishyante.
So he will.
Shall I open?
No,
Okay. I can't hear you.
पलायते am I audible amma पलायिष्यते पलायिष्यन्ते पलायिष्यते पलायिष्ये पलायिष्यामहे पलायिष्यामहे
Okay. Next, Dyut. Shirisha ji.
द्योतिष्यते द्योतिष्येते द्योतिष्यन्ते द्योतिष्यसे द्योतिष्येथे द्योतिष्यद्वे द्योतिष्ये द्योतिष्यावहे द्योतिष्यामहे.
Next, Uma Amma, Vep.
वेपिष्यते वेपिष्येते वेपिष्यन्ते वेपिष्यसे वेपिष्येथे वेपिष्यध्वे वेपिष्ये वेपिष्यावहे वेपिष्यामहे.
Okay. Next, Trap Dhatu.
त्रपयिष्यते त्रपयिष्येते त्रपयिष्यन्ते त्रपयिष्यसे त्रपयिष्येथे त्रपयिष्यद्वे त्रपयिष्ये त्रपयिष्यावहे त्रपयिष्यामहे.
Okay. Next, we finished the Lut Lakara also. Then Lot Lakara. Prabhaji.
My turn. Yeah.
For Spardh Dhatu, Lot Lakara.
Okay. So spardha. Okay. Spardhatam. Is that correct? Okay.
Yes,
Spardhatam. Spardhetam. Spardhantam. Spardhasva. Spardhetam. Spardhadvam. Spardhai. Is that correct?
Yes,
Spardhai.
yes.
Spardhavahai. Spardhamahai. This
Yes.
I kind of read, so sorry.
No,
Not
it's
memorized yet.
Yes, it's okay. Once we finish, once we go on doing all lakaras, it will become familiar. We don't need to put forth effort. Without effortlessly, we can memorize all these shabdas. Lut lakara and lat lakara, both are without seeing also we can tell, right?
Yes, that is now. Yeah.
When we go on doing, if we focus on one lakara, then it will become easy.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you.
Spardh is over. Shank Dhatu. Upendra ji, can you do Shank Dhatu, Lot Lakara?
हरि ओम धातु लोट लकार
Shall I open Shank Dhatu?
शंकताम शंकेताम शंकंताम शंकत शंके शंकेथा कद्वम शंके शंकावहै शंकामहै.
What is the Uttam Purusha Ekavachanam?
शंकै शंकै शंकावहै शंकाम.
No. Uttam Purusha Ekavachanam.
उत्तम शंकताम.
Uttam Purusha Ekavachanam.
मध्यम हम उत्तमः. शंक शंकै.
Shankai. Okay. I couldn't hear that.
Kai.
That's okay. That's okay.
हरि ओम.
Next, Cheshta Dhatu.
चेष्टतां चेष्टेतां चेष्टन्तां
Continue.
चेष्टस्व चेष्टेथां चेष्टध्वं चेष्टै चेष्टावहै चेष्टामहे.
हाँ. Next, कृप धातु.
कल्पथां कल्पथां कल्पेथां कल्पन्तां कल्पस्व कल्पेथां कल्पध्वं कल्पै कल्पावहै कल्पामहे.
उमा अम्मा परा प्लस आई. परा उपसर्ग पूर्वक आई धातु.
पलायतां पलायेतां पलायन्तां पलायस्व पलायेथां पलायध्वं पलायै पलायावहे पलायावहै पलायामहे.
हाँ. द्युत.
Should I go?
Yes, please.
Dyo Dyotyatam. Is it Dyotyatam or Dyottam? Dyotyatam?
Dyotatam only.
Dyotatam. Okay. Dyotatam, Dyotetam, Dyotantam, Dyotasva, Dyotetham, Dyotadvam, Dyotaihi, no, not, no visarga. Dyotai, Dyotavahai, Dyotamahai.
Next, Shivananji, Vep dhatu.
Which one, Amma?
Vep dhatu, lot lakara.
Vep dhatu, lot lakara.
हाँ. You can decline.
Lot lakara.
हाँ, lot lakara. You can see here and you can try to decline Vep dhatu like Dyut dhatu.
Vepatam, Vepetam, Vepantam, Vepasva, Vepetham, Vepadvam, Vepai, Vepavahai, Vepavahai, Vepamahai.
Karavavahai. Which the Rupa it is?
Karavavahai, Atmanepada, lot lakara.
हाँ. उत्तम पुरुष, मध्यम पुरुष, प्रथम पुरुष.
उत्तम पुरुष मध्यम उत्तम पुरुष.
वचन
द्विवचन.
द्विवचन. मा विद्विषावहै करवावहै. नेक्स्ट, उपेंद्र जी, त्रप धातु.
पस्वं त्रपध्वं आवहै तपामहै.
Okay, now we finished lot lakara also. Now we have to do lang lakara. Okay. Lang lakara for spardha dhatu.
अस्पर्धता अस्पर्धेताम् अस्पर्धन्ता अस्पर्धताः अस्पर्धेताम् अस्पर्धत्वम् अस्पर्धै अस्पर्धावहै अस्पर्धे अस्पर्धावहै अस्पर्धामहि
Next, shank dhatu. Shrishaji, can you do shank dhatu? Lang lakara.
Ashankat, ashanketam, ashankanta, ashankatha, ashanketam, ashankadvam, ashanke, ashankavahi, ashankamahi.
What is the prathama purusha ekavachanam?
Ashankata.
Okay. Madhyam purusha ekavachanam?
Ashankatha. Taha. Sorry.
Visarga is there. Ashankathaha. Yes. Okay. Next, Uma Amma. Chest.
अचेष्टत अचेष्टेताम् अचेष्टन्त अचेष्टथाः अचेष्टथाम् अचेष्टध्वम् अचेष्टे अचेष्टावहि अचेष्टामहि.
Next, Krup. Prabhaji.
अकल्पत अकल्पेताम् अकल्पन्त अकल्पथाः अकल्पेथाम् अकल्पध्व अकल्पे अकल्पावहि अकल्पामहि.
Akalpata. Is this word came anywhere in Upanishad? Kalpata, either in Purusha Suktam or in Taittiriya. I'm not able to recollect what is the before and after, but Akalpata word is there. Okay, next, Upendraji, para plus I. I dhatu para upasarga purvak.
Pala palayata 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 palayetam palayadvam palaye palaya. So we have to add no. Palayata palayetam palayanta palayathaha palayetham palayadvam palaye palamahi palamahi.
Here there is no a. Why there is no a? If you see the screen, in lang lakara, atmanepadi, para upasarga purvak I dhatu, there is no a before palayata. But in all lakaras, there should be akara. All lang lakara, there should be akara, right?
Phala
The
plus Asta.
I say after Upasarga, A will come now. Then after A will no.
I can't hear you.
Last time you after Upasarga A has to
After Upasarga, A should be there. Yes.
then
Para.
it will combine no ma. Sun will have.
So this
Plus-
at agama comes after Upasarga. After Upasarga, at agama comes, then akaha savarne dirghaha by this sutra, para plus I becomes parai. Then ra becomes la palayata. Yes. So can you decline this again?
Palayata, palayetam, palayanta, palayatha, palayeta, palayadhum, palaye, palayavahi, palayamahi.
Next, dyut dhatu. Shivananji?
Dyut dhatu. Langlakara. Okay. Adyotat, adyotetam, adyotanta, adyotathaha, adyotetham, adyotadvam, adyote, adyotavahi, adyotamahi.
Yes. Next, vep dhatu.
Vepatha, vepatham, vepantha. Sorry, avepatha. Avepatha, avepatham, avepantha. Avepathaha, avepatham, avepadhvam. Avepe, avepathavahi, avepatamahi. Avepatham, avepathi, avepathitam, avepatham, avepatam, avepatham.
Avepata, avepetam, avepanta. Avepathaha, avepetha, avepadvam. Avepe, avepavahi, avepamahi. It goes like that. Next, trap dhatu. Sirishaji.
अत्रप्यत् अत्रप्येताम् अत्रप्यन्त अत्रप्यताः अत्रप्येथाम् अत्रप्यध्वम् अत्रप्ये अत्रप्यावहि अत्रप्यामहि.
Is there a ya in all of those for trap?
What is it?
Is there a ya? Is it atrapyetam?
Have you declined the trap dhatu as trapate? Yes. Trapate. But there could be another dhatu trapyate. No, only one dhatu is there. Yeah, atrapata atrapetam. Shirshaji, can you decline again?
अत्रपत अत्रपेताम् अत्रपन्त अत्रपथः अत्रपेताम्
Atrapathaha.
अत्रपथाः अत्रपेथाम् अत्रपध्वम् अत्रपे अत्रपावहि अत्रपामहि.
Next, again, spartha dhatu with ling lakara. Uma,
Spardheta, spardheyatam, spardheran, spardhethaha, spardheyatham, spardhedvam, spardheya, spardhevahi, spardemahi.
Yeah, is there, no? That yakara is ling si yut. By that sutra, yakara came. Trapeya, like that. Spardheya. Next, Prabhaji, Shank dhatu.
Yeah. Shanketa, Shankeyatam, Shankeran, Shankethaha, Shankeyatham, Shankedhvam, Shankeya, Shankevahi, Shankemahi.
Next, Chesht dhatu. Upendraji.
Priyamma.
Chesht.
Cheste yatam cheste ran. Cheste yatham cheste cheste Priyamma.
Yes. Next, Krup dhatu. Shivananji.
कल्पेत कल्पेयातां कल्पेरन् कल्पेथाः कल्पेयाथां कल्पेद्वं कल्पेय कल्पेवहि कल्पेमहि.
Yes. Para upasarga purvak ay dhatu.
पलायते पलायेत 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 पलायेतां पलायेतां पलायेयाथां पलायेरन् पलायेत्थाः पलायेयाथां पलायेध्वं पलायेय पलाये वहि पलायेमहि
Next, Shirishaji, Dyut.
Um, you, द्योतेत द्योतेयातां द्योतेरन् द्यो द्योते द्योतेताः द्योतेयाथां द्योतेध्वं द्योतेय द्योतेवा द्योते द्योतेयावहि द्योतेयामहि
Dyote Vahi.
द्योतेवहि द्योतेमहि.
Yes. Next, Umama, Vep Dhatu.
वेपेत वेपेयातां वेपेरन् वेपेथाः वेपेयाथां वेपेध्वं वेपेय वेपेवहि वेपेमहि.
Yes. Next, Trap Dhatu. Prabhaji.
त्रपेत त्रपेयातां त्रपेरन् त्रपेथाः त्रपेयाथां त्रपेध्वं त्रपेय त्रपेवहि त्रपेमहि.
Next, so we finished all lakaras. For we finished all lakaras, right? Means so far,
Yes.
whatever lakaras are there. Now this Ekakin Shabda, we will see how Ekakin has formed. Ekat Akinich Asahaye. If we split, this will be the word. Ekat Akinich Cha Asahaye. These four words are there in this sutra. So, whenever alone this kind of meaning is used with Eka Shabda. Eka is not Sankyarthaka Shabda. Eka is used in the sense of alone. At that time, this Akinich Pratyaya will be used. Akinich Pratyaha Bhavati. Chakarat. What is the meaning of Chakara? Kan and lukau cha. Kan and look. Look means completely lopa. Also kan pratyahara. Kan pratyaya, not kan pratyahara, kan pratyaya. So eka akinich pratyaya is one pratyaya. Kan pratyaya is one pratyaya. And look means there is no pratyaya, just it gets lopa. So we'll see eka plus akinich. Akinich. In this, eka is there plus chakara will get lopa. By which sutra? Yesterday we saw. Chakara is named as what?
Titsanya, right?
It's Sangna. By which sutra?
This
Alantya.
Halantya.
Halantya.
And then tasya lopaha, right? Or-
Yes, tasya lopaha. By that sutra, it gets lopa. Halantyam tasya lopaha. Now, eka plus this akin ikara. At the end, ikara is there, na? Nakara uttaravarti ikara. It is called as nakara uttaravarti. Uttaravarti means after nakara. Whatever is there, that ikara is for ucharana artha. It is not for the sake of pratyaya. It is just for the sake of ucharana. So whatever is the ucharana artha, it will get lopa by tasya lopaha. Now what will remain if nakara also will get lopa? What will remain if ikara gets
Ekaki.
lopa?
Ekaki or aki.
Akin. Ikara gets lopa by tasya lopaha. Now in this, we can do Savarna Dirgha Sandhi and we can say ekakin. But there is another sutra. By that sutra, this akara, after eka, whatever is the akara, that akara gets lopa by yasyeticha. Ek plus akin. Now we can do ekakin. Then we can have a doubt that why there is a need of separating akara and doing lopa of that akara. Without separating the akara, we can use akaha savarna dirghaha and also make ekakin. But this sutra, yasyeticha sutra, will not have any purpose if we do like that, but there is some other purpose why we are doing. It is basanya. That is different prakriya, different explanation is there, we'll see later. But for now, just understand, we have to separate this akara and lopa, then we have to make it together. Ekakin. Is this clear? Is this clear? Shall I go to next point?
Yes, Amma.
Yes.
Eka plus kan. The next, we have to use the two pratyayas, akinich pratyaya and kan pratyaya. That kan we are using. If we use kan pratyaya, then what will happen? Eka plus the nakara is called
Halantam.
halantyam. Itsanya by halantyam sutra. Then what will happen?
Tasya lopa.
Asya lopah.
Tasya lopaha. Now ekaka. Ekaka. So if we add supratyaya, then ekakaha, it will come like that. Like Ramaha, like ekakaha. But now it is ekaka. Pratipadika is ekaka. Here Pratipadika is ekakin. Then another one is eka plus luk. Luk means lopa only. It is one type of lopa. Lopa means there is nothing. So no pratyaya is there. Eka plus nothing. It remains as eka only. So when we see eka, we may think that it is shabda. But by this sutra, ekad akine cha sahaye. By this sutra, here eka means alone, not sankhya, not one. Eka means alone. That is why in some places they translated as eka as one or eka as alone. In different places, different way it is used. When it is used alone, eka means then it is by this sutra. Eka dakinicha sahaye. Is this point clear? All are
Yes.
same meaning. Ekakin and ekaka, eka, all are same meaning, alone only. Asahaye, there is no sahaya. Okay, now we will see the Niyama 81. There is no sutra. I could not find anything for this. Patra, aspada, sthana, pada, bhajana, and pramana. When all these shabdas are there, when all these shabdas are there, in the sense of vidheya. Vidheya and uddeshya. If it is vidheya, anybody is remembering what is vidheya and uddeshya? It is these are our Vedantic terms. Vidheya and uddeshya.
I don't know the exact meaning, but I'm guessing vidheya is that which is an injunction, that vidhi, from vidhi came vidheya, and uddeshya is that is the intent. So I don't know the paribhashik meanings.
What is uddesha?
That which is indicated or intent.
Hmm. Okay. Here, vidheya is like Devadattaha Panditaha. Panditaha. In this, Devadatta, we know. We don't know who is he. So, whatever is known is Vidheya. Whatever we don't know, that is Uddeshya. Right? Is it the correct way, Uma, or did I say
I don't
other?
know. I'm not sure. That is why where does this come? Where is it defined?
This will come in Mandukya at the beginning, and this also came in
The Shadvidulingas it comes, right? Shadvidulingas, Upakrama, Upasamhara, Abhyasa.
but
Then
I
the
don't.
last one is Uddeshya.
No.
Uddeshya Vidya. Devadattaha Panditaha. Devadatta is Uddeshya and Panditaha is Vidheya. So, Vidheya means it is telling you something about Uddeshya which you don't know. So, here the other way, what I said is the other way. Devadatta, we know, but he is Pandita, that we don't know. So, Devadatta is Uddeshya. Panditaha is Vidheya, which we don't know is Vidheya, which we already knew is Uddeshya. So it is said, Aham Brahmasmi. In this, Aham is Uddeshya, Brahma is Vidheya. So whenever Devadattaha Panditaha, Devadattaha is Uddeshyaha. Panditaha Vidheyaha. Uddeshyaha Vidheyaha.
So did it come in the context of Abhidhana, Abhidheya? This what is known and what is using that to indicate what is not known? Is that like Uddeshya is known and Pandita has not known? Using the known.
I don't
Is that-
remember exactly, but it could be in this way. I like Prathama Pada, I knew Dvitiya Pada, I knew Tritiya Pada, I knew. But Chaturtha Pada is indicating these three.
So that is Vidheya and this. Okay.
Turiya is Vidheya, and Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya Padas are Uddeshya.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm not sure, but I remembered in that way. The Niyama 81 says that when all these shabdas in apatra, aspada, sthana, pada, bhajna and pramana, these are, if these are videya, then the rupa is napumsakalinga ekavachanam. Napumsakalinga ekavachanam it should be. If these shabdas are indicating uddeshya, then anya vachana also can be there. Means any other vachana can be there. But if it is videya, only napumsakalinga ekavachanam. No dvivachanam, no bahuvachanam. Only ekavachanam, napumsakalinga, not pullinga, not strilinga. But in uddeshya, all three vachanas can be there. Napumsakalinga, but all three vachanas. Gunaha puja sthanam santi. Gunaha puja sthanam santi. Here, puja sthanam is videya. They have taken as videya. This is in Napumsakalinga ekavachanam. Gunas are there in puja sthana. That is the meaning here. In the place of puja, gunas are there. So, though it is indicating Saptami, Adhikarana, but this is Patra Shabda, Sthana Shabda, sorry. Sthana Shabda, also it is Videya, which we don't know. Gunaha Santi, that we know. But where it is available, that we don't know. That they are saying they are available in Puja Sthanam. That's why that Videya is in Napumsakalinga Ekavachanam only. Though it is in Napumsakalinga Ekavachanam. Is this point clear?
What is the meaning of this sentence? Gunaha pujasthanam santi.
Gunaha means qualities. Or we can take that good vibrations.
Oh, I see. Okay.
They are there in the place of puja.
Yeah.
Any other doubt is there? Okay.
So,
Next
so
one.
you are saying that it should have been in regular, we would have thought that it would be puja sthane, but here it's not, because it only has sthanam here, as videya only has one form, which is ekavachanam napunsakalinga.
Yes, yes.
Okay, got it.
Here they have mentioned Napumsakalinga Ekavachana only, but which vibhakti they have not used. But here they have used Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Or Dvitiya Ekavachanam. Dvitiya Ekavachanam. We assume this is Dvitiya Ekavachanam, and we will see examples how they have given. We'll see. Yuyam mama kripa patram stha bhavantaha pramanam santi. Up to this is one vakya, stha, and bhavantaha pramanam santi is another vakya. Yuyam mama kripa patram stha. You all are having my kripa patram means compassion. You all are having, or what is the stha dhatu? Stha is which rupa?
So it should be Madhyama Purusha because Yuyam Stha, right? So Madhyama Purusha Dvivajan, right? No, Yuvam would be that. Yuyam is Bahuvajan. Madhyama Purusha Bahuvajan. Is that correct?
Stha for as dhatu, there is no stha declension. I'll check if there is any correction. Kripa patram stha. That is not dirgha. Okay, that is stha only, not stha. It is purna virama. That another line is there, na? That should be purna virama. It is hrasva stha.
Yeah, it's in other book. It's just other version. It
Yes.
is just
Okay, meaning that we will see tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.